Hi, I'm Matt Barr. This is Derby, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a text-based script like this Christmas play that I was in last year into a Derby project. I'm going to be showing you on the desktop computer web view, but the steps are the same if you're on iPhone or Android. The nav bar is going to be down at the bottom of the screen, but other than that, it's going to be about the same. So we're going to go to projects and we're going to use this plus button in the top right. From here, we're going to give our project a name, Christmas Play. And we're going to be using the default values for line delivery and script. So line delivery determines whether or not they're going to be submitting their lines through Derby. And the script type, we've got scene and we've got lines. We're going to be going with scene for now because that's the type of project that it is. So we're going to click next, and now it's time to get our script and add it into Derby. So it says copy your script to your clipboard and then click check clipboard. So I'm just going to Control A, Control C for copy, get everything up on there, and I'm going to hit check clipboard. And this is the script. This is the entirety of the script that we were working on. And Derby estimates this at about 105 lines. It looks good to me. I'm going to hit parse. Now, if I wanted to retry because I had the wrong thing on my script, I could hit this redo button. So once we come in here, we get to the adjustments. This is the last little bit of fine tuning before the project is created. So some of these things are not, they're not roles. Like tones is not a role. If we look at this, in tones, we have light, bright, cheery. That's just some directing note. So that's not a role. The carolers, the children, all of these things are roles. So we're just going to confirm each one of these as they come through. Now, you'll notice we have two copies of Mr. Cratchit. I think that there's a period in this one. There's not in this one, but they're the same role. So we're going to go in here and we're going to click merge. And we're going to merge it into the other Mr. Cratchit role. Mr. Cratchit is a role. Marley is choir director, narrator, narrator 2. Yes, 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 yes. There's a lot. This was made for a church event, so we want to make sure that every kid got a few lines. This is not a role. Together, I'm going to put it in there. James is good. Mr. Cratchit once again. This time we've got two spaces. We're just going to merge it back in with that other Mr. Cratchit that we've got up here. The first one that we merged already went away. Tiny Tim, Kids Choir Director, all great. And now we can peek through here and kind of see the lit up lines are the ones that are going to be making their way into the project. The rest of them are going to show up in the script, but they're not going to be assigned to roles. If I needed to change something about one of these lines, I could either hit this X here to say that's not going to be a line that we're going to put in there. I'm going to re-click it because we do want that line. Or, you can't see it down here. The text editing field is down at the bottom of the screen if I wanted to change it from Bah Humbug to Baha Humbug. So we've got all of that in place. Now, we are still kind of new here, so there's a chance that Derby isn't able to parse the script. It doesn't understand every formatting that people might have for their scripts. So if you find yourself in that situation and that's why you're at this video, you go over here to help. You type in your email address so we can follow up with you, and you hit submit script. We will get that project into a workable script for you, and we'll use your script to increase the number of formats that we're able to parse. So I just wanted to call that out. That's there, but we're not going to use it right now. Once we've gotten everything looking good, we're going to go ahead and hit checkout, which right now is free because we're just at the start. We're getting started here. And it takes us straight into the project itself. We have all of the roles on screen here. We can also view it in a script view over here. And in a different video, I will show you how to take these roles and turn them into auditions or send them off to someone else so that they can work with you in Derby to finish your projects. So that's what I've got. Hope it helps. And I'm really excited that you're using Derby, and I can't wait to hear what you think about it. A general plug on that. Inside settings, there is an app feedback, and that is the quickest way to get my attention. But any way that you get my attention, whether it's sending an email, leaving an app review on the App Store, we are so eager to hear how Derby's working for you. And that's all I've got. God bless.